This video is about 20 AI prompts that can make you money step by step 2026. Direct hit video structure. We'll break this into strong hook, explanation of prompts, education, 20 practical prompts, value, real use cases, engagement, scaling strategy, authority. Most people are using AI the wrong way. They ask simple questions and get average results. But the people making money with AI, they use better prompts. In this video, I'll show you 20 powerful AI prompts that can actually make you money in 2026. And if you use them correctly, you can turn AI into a real income system. You may want to ask, what is a money prompt? A prompt is simply an instruction you give to AI. But here's the difference. Bad prompt. Write something about fitness. Good prompt. Write a high-converting Instagram caption for a fitness coach targeting busy professionals trying to lose weight. The second one is specific, targeted, and designed for results. How prompts turn into money. Here's the simple system. You write a prompt. AI generates output. You package that output and sell it. That's how people are turning simple prompts into income streams. Movie camera section, 20 money prompts. Each section includes visual plus explanation plus monetization idea. Prompt number 1. Freelance writing. Studio microphone prompt. Write a 500-word SEO blog post about topic, targeting beginners, including headings and call to action. Money bag monetization aspect. You can sell on Fiverr, Upwork. Prompt number 2. YouTube script. Studio microphone prompt. Write a high-retention YouTube script on topic with hooks, storytelling, and call to action. Money bag monetization aspect. You can sell scripts or build your own channel on YouTube. Prompt number 3. Digital product idea. Studio microphone prompt. List 10 profitable digital product ideas for beginners in niche. Money bag monetization aspect. You can sell on Gumroad. Prompt number 4. Sales page copy. Studio microphone prompt. Write a persuasive sales page for product targeting audience. Money bag monetization aspect. Charge clients for copywriting services. Prompt number 5. Social media content. Prompt. Generate 30 days of Instagram content ideas for business. Money bag monetization aspect. Monthly client packages. Prompt number 6. Ebook creation. Studio microphone prompt. Create an outline and full ebook on topic for beginners. Monetization. Sell ebooks repeatedly. Prompt number 7. Resume optimization. Studio microphone prompt. Rewrite this resume to highlight achievements and make it ATS friendly. Money bag monetization aspect. Resume writing services. Prompt number 8. Email marketing. Studio microphone prompt. Write a 5-email sequence to promote product. Prompt number 9. AI course creation. Studio microphone prompt. Create a beginner-friendly course outline on topic. Prompt number 10. Product descriptions. Studio microphone prompt. Write 10 high-converting product descriptions for product type. Prompts number 11 to 15, fast-paced. Include ad copy, TikTok scripts, business ideas, website content, branding ideas, quick transitions to maintain retention. Prompts number 16 to 20, advanced. Include automation workflows, client proposals, market research, pricing strategies, niche domination plan. How to scale prompts into income. The real power is not using one prompt. It's building a system. Prompt service repeat scale. Big takeaway. AI doesn't replace work. It amplifies it. The better your prompts, the higher your income potential. Comment prompts if you want a free list of high-converting prompts. And subscribe because next, we're going deeper into AI system.